Hey friends, it is wintertime here in Colorado, which means it's time to trade in my ball caps for something a little bit warmer. That means a beanie. Let me show you what I have for today. This is the Funky Junkie ribbed beanie, and I'm not kidding when I say it's maybe one of the most comfortable beanies I've ever worn in my life. So this is the olive green color. They have multiple color options to select from. You can see it has a really nice, big, deep pocket on the vertical flip up, as well as their little logo here. I actually really like that. It's not super intrusive, just enough to give a little accent. Again, the fabric, knit fabric here is super, super comfortable. Really like having this on my head. Doesn't itch like some of the other beanies that I've used. Definitely something that's gonna keep us warm here in cold Colorado. So there you go. That is the Funky Junkie ribbed beanie. It's available right here on Amazon. We'll put links in the description box below. Definitely a thumbs up from us. Go check it out for yourself.